Alright, you are ready for long awaiting hike. In this weather. Waihohonu Hut 4 hours 30 minutes. Taranaki Falls minutes down here. Not that bad compared to what it was showing in Mount Taranaki. We walk for 2 kilometers. So in 1.5 kilometers we should see at least campsite. Oturere Hut from here is 3 hours and currently time is 11:30, so we hope we reach by 5.
It's an uphill climb. Santa is climbing to town. You better watch out.
Santa will fall down. It's a Santa, not Humpty Dumpty. Why are you watching out?
Better watch out. You better not cry. Santa is climbing to town.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
We crossed that mountain. Actually, we crossed all those mountains which you can see in the camera. We're almost there. So far, we have walked 2 hours, 3.23 kilometers, and we have built 195 elevation.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets die in your heart so slow.
And now here we are resting 2 kilometers before Oturere Hut.
What's that behind you?
Ah, nice clouds coming, Ra.
Is that your Santa hat coming to
That's
town?
my Santa beard. Almost there. From here we are just 1 kilometer away from our Oturere Hut. I hope this is the last climb.
It looks like I can even climb all these mountains.
Now we are going to Chatmaster.
Mangatepopo.
Mangatepopo
Hut.
Mangatepopo.
Mangatepopo.
Mangatepopo Hut. We are going. Yeah, names are very difficult. And from here, it's 12 kilometers. We will stop by Emerald Lake and then continue our journey. One step forward, two step backward. So beautiful, so elegant, just like wow. We are here and we have to climb all the way there. You can see people, how tiny are they, and we're going to climb over there. It's 10:41 and we have walked 2 kilometers, still 10 more kilometers to go. Alright, our challenging hike climb is about to start. First part. So we are starting from here, going to the lake, and then from there we're going to climb Red also. Alright, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go!
Before the cloud closing.
Before the cloud closes. One step backward, two step forward. Hey, congrats. Made it. Finally. And we are on the summit. Finally we reached, and on my left side you can see Red Crater. It's an active volcano. From here, our hut is just 2 hours away. Depends on how much we stop at Soda Spring and how beautiful is Soda Spring. I'm hoping to see something good.
I know some people take buses.
Like what there?
Yeah. The hardest part of the climb.
10 kilometers done. 2 kilometers more to our hut. And few meters to our Soda Spring. So how was your hike, Joshua? Still okay?
Just protecting my knee.
I think from here just have to walk straight. There's no more climbing and no more staircase going down, so it should be okay. And there is our hut. It's day 4 and last day of our hike, and we are going back to Tongariro Visitor Center, which is around 8 kilometers away from here. So hoping to reach within 3 to 4 hours.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
From here we can see Mount Taranaki, but its peak is covered by cloud. Just I managed to get the good picture of Taranaki last night.
I give you the camera? Take some.
Thank you.
Wait for this. Wait.
And now we're going to swim. It's a very small lake. It's a Taranaki waterfall. After walking across mountain, now we are going back via this jungle walk. Here you can see dried stream and lots of bushes kicking our back, making us more tired. Just by walking this narrow path, not sure how many mountains we crossed. We know we crossed many valleys so far. And that's how we made 6 kilometers. We completed our 6-kilometer walk, and I think we are closer to Taranaki Falls. Let's check the map. Alright. I knew that. Tosha wants to rest, and we are very near to Carpark and Visitor Center.
And I want to lie down also.
That's happened after 4 days hike. Our professional hiker taking rest.
Heart filled with worries, no more. In a world full of sorrows, what for? You watch the world from the place beneath the willow, the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow, on your pillow.
And we're back from where we started. It's our end of the hike after 4 days. Today is the fourth day. After 3 nights, 4th day today. And we made it. Yeah. So hot, painful. Okay, again on. Yeah. So I'll show you finally did 4 days hike, for which you were preparing from last 3 months. So how do you feel? Another walk, great walk.